Everything that I'm becoming is through my sweat and blood.
Do you still love Ntombeni?
What is love?
Hi everybody, welcome to Reality Buzz TV, where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. Guys, please, when we are doing a video and in the comment section, let's just focus on that video. Videos that I haven't been able to do, you guys. Some videos are harder to do, and so I need to just be waiting for caregiver support to come back and get back calm and get rest, and then I'll go back and do those videos. So I'm doing the videos that are the easiest for me to do right now. Otherwise, I wouldn't post anything at all. So I'm sorry if I haven't done your review, but you just have to enjoy this one. Okay, now you guys, the trailer of Uthando Nesimbo Uncut episode kaMakhumalo that I have been asking for ifikile, guys. Babe kuMakhumalo ekugcineni, and Lord, is it interesting. Now you guys, I want to go back and say, when Makhumalo started Uthando Nesimbo, or when we were first introduced to Makhumalo, she was only 28, 29. UGoogle uthi uMakhumalo uzalwe ngomhla ka-21 February, I think bathi 1989. Yes, 1989. So kahle uMakhumalo masihlangana naye, she was very, very young. That's why ama-timelines kaMakhumalo, when it comes to when she met uMseleku, when she met uMasawula, when uMasawula passed away, all of that kuvele kungayenzi sense. Umethi yena, she said yes to uMseleku when she was 18. Kodwa mubala kahle ngathi uqale ukwazi uMseleku ena 14, 15, 16 kanje. Kodwa ke asikho lapho namhlanje. Into engifuna ukuthi sikhumbule ukuthi uMakhumalo was very young. Yes, she had been married for some time. Kodwa uyabona guys, in your 20s, I think that's why vele even having kids, kuye advise ukuthi you must have kids in your 20s. I think the reason yalokho is because in your 20s nje usuke ubone ngathi umhlaba uyawazi already. Uyabona mangalinda ube na 40 to decide if you are going to have kids or not, ngeke uzobe nengane. Ngoba in your 40s ila usuke sewuzazi khona. Uyabona leyo nto, usuke vele usubuka ukuthi kodwa ngangeyena umuntu okwakufanele abe umzali. Uyayibona nje leyo nto, usubuka nokuthi kahle i-career kwakufanele ngabe ngiyichuzile ile. So in your 20s, even though ngokwakho wena usuke uyibona ukuthi you know yourself, uyazazi izinto ezifunayo, you understand the world, kodwa kahle kahle usuke ungakaboni lutho. So uMakhumalo masihlangana naye, even though ebese sithenjini sakaMseleku, kodwa singakhohlwa ukuthi abanye bebebadala kunaye. So kukhona la bese be-advance khona abanye kunaye, bese bezi-understanda kangcono kunaye. uMakhumalo-ke ever since samazi nje kaMseleku, uhlezi nje yena about baba uMseleku. I would be nothing without uMseleku. Ngegama lakaMseleku ngabe angikho. Konke nginako nengiyikho is because of uMseleku. Ngabe angikho la ngikhona without uMseleku. Konke nginako kukaMseleku. KwakuwuMakhumalo ke lokho. Ikona lokho kwakwenza abantu bambiza uMakhumalo ngo-pick me, because over and above that uMakhumalo beyilo muntu ukuthi everything efuna uMseleku ufanele ayithole. Anything to make uMseleku happy, anything to make uMseleku comfortable. And she used to act like she does not understand why the other wives feel a certain way. In fact, in recent seasons, she even made a comment ukuthi mina understand ukuthi indaba uMseleku angabatreat abanye amakhosikazi like me. I don't understand why he doesn't treat the others like me. Engakazi ukuthi kanti kuyeza nakuyena. Now uMakhumalo ukhulile, ekhula within umshado wakhe. Now she's reaching a point where here is uMseleku here telling abantu ukuthi everything that uMakhumalo is and has is because of him. Now we are reflect uMakhumalo. She's thinking about her 20s, her 30s, and she's like, no, but I remember working very, very hard for what I have. Uyakhumbula manje ukuthi I remember waking up in the morning, clocking in emsebenzini nami. I remember sitting ku desk nami mengabe ngisayina ama-invoice mengabe ngenzani. I remember ukuthi yimi engikhokhela i-insurance. I remember ukuthi yimi who was able to pay that hospital bill amakhosikazi while they were still hlanganising ukuthi kuzokwenziwane nge-hospital bill kalo baba. Uyayikhumbula ukuthi manje she is approaching she's approaching her 40s and she's like, no man, I haven't rested. Kunamakhosikazi la kaMseleku angasebenzanga at all. Okungaclaim ukuthi all they have kwakaMseleku. Kodwa if there's one person osebenzile is uMakhumalo. And now she's approaching that age lena ke nathi safika kuyona where you are like, lalela, I can love you. I can give you all of the love and the respect that you want. But when it comes to what I have achieved, you better recognize me. And uMakhumalo lapho manje. Kwabanye kungasound engathi uMakhumalo uyasicontradict because there are videos out there where uMakhumalo says everything I am, everything I have is because of the name yakamseleku.
Whatever that I'm achieving on my own, I achieve it because ngikaMseleku.
Bese yafika manje kwi-uncut art, everything I have, everything I am is because of my blood and sweat.
Everything that I'm becoming is through my sweat and blood.
I do not think ukuthi uMakhumalo is contradicting herself. I just feel like when we met uMakhumalo, she was very young. And she had to be careful ukuthi whatever she had said in the beginning of the show, kusawu season 1, season 2, she was trying to be consistent. But more and more, those words were becoming difficult to come out of Makhumalo. I remember hearing her saying those words, kumembeso, saying ukuthi konke enginako nengiko bengeke ngibe nako without uMsamseleko. Guys, iyafana nje lento nomuntu okufundisile ekhaya. Ungasho ukuthi yeah, I wouldn't be where I am without them. But did they go bona and study at the university and get that degree or diploma? No, you are the one that worked hard. They could have given you an opportunity and ungayisebenzisi. So ubani faneka recognize more the achievement eyomuntu ofundile, but the other person can be recognized for assisting the person. But it does not mean that everything that has been achieved by this person belongs to the person that paid the fees. No, it belongs to the person that achieved. The other person can always be recognized for assisting the person or for inspiring a person or for helping a person. I think that's the difference that now uMakhumalo is making, where she is like, I want to recognize my husband, but if bengasebenzanga as hard as I worked, I wouldn't be where I am. So she's struggling now to get to a point where she's able to say, I want my achievements to be acknowledged. I knew Minugote this time was coming because long time ago, Makhumalo did an interview. I think an interview was at Ukhozi FM where she said, Ugozi, the reason she started working hard was because she realized that everybody started referring to her as Umakoti wakamseleku, you know. And then she wanted abantu to know her as Thobile Mseleku. And she felt like if she has achievements that are attached to the name Thobile Mseleku, abantu bazomkhumbula njengoThobile Mseleku. So she started working hard. At the time, you guys, when I watched the interview, it was already like years later. And I was thinking, but how come uMakhumalo doesn't remember ukuthi she started working? And if you have worked, there's something that you need to be recognized for. There's an achievement that belongs to you. If you say you worked so that people can remember you as uThobile Mseleku instead of uMakhumalo or Makoti kaMseleku, then you must be able to recognize ukuthi now you have done something to get to where you are. Remember, this was at the time where she was still insisting, everything I am, everything I have is because of the name Mseleku. But guys, remember, last season, Mseleku abandoned Makhumalo. In a way, she threw her under the bus. He threw her under the bus when he revealed that there were things that him and Makhumalo had discussed in private about the other wives. In fact, it sounded like they gossip about the other wives. And uMakhumalo uyamhlohla uMseleku sometimes ukuthi address certain things when they are together with the other wives. And then when Makhumalo comes to the meeting, she will act all innocent. That was the ultimate betrayal. Because listen, if I'm going to be here lying to everybody, saying that everything I am and everything that I've achieved belong to you, when I know very well that I've worked very, very hard for what I have, you better not be throwing me under the bus when your lovely wives are sitting at the table. So I think that for Makumalo, she said, and she was like, why am I still doing this for this man? Okay, I'm over here paying insurances. I'm over here paying hospital bills. And he's over there throwing me under the bus because I'm questioning his decision to take Umakwela. Oh, no, honey. No, 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 no. And she came back to Uncut to say, everything that I am, everything that I have achieved is because of my blood and sweat. And if you know me, you know that I was happy. I was actually I was like, yes, girl. Yes. It is because you worked very hard. Did you not wake up at 4 sometimes to just go and sit at that desk and work? So how can you say it's because of this man? No. Now, you guys, another interesting thing that happened is that Makumalo was asked, do you still love Mtombeni? And you know what she said? She said, what is love?
What is love?
And you know who else answered that question like that? It was Mangwabe. 3 years ago, Mangwabe was asked, do you still love Mtombeni? And Mangwabe was like, what is love? Because you can be married for as long as you have been married. But at some point, you guys, there are times when you have to sit, especially in discovering yourself, in learning who you are. You really just get to a point where you're like, do I even love this man? Am I here because I want to be here? With everything that has happened, do I have an option to walk away? Would I walk away? Do I want to walk away? Let's not forget to go to Khumalo met Umselek when she was very young. You know, she met Umselek when she was very young, and then in their marriage they struggled with indaba yokuba nabantwana. And when Khumalo at some point, when she was still very young, in her 20s, she wanted to look at other options where they could have children. You know, options are natural, if I may say so, and Umselek refused for her to do that. Can you imagine how different Makumalo's life would be if Umseleko had agreed to at least consider those options? So it is just natural that Makumalo is going to be like, listen, should I even have been here? Because there is a part of her that feels like, listen, I'm a hard worker. Even if I wasn't here, Kamseliko, I still would have been successful. Maybe I shouldn't have come here so that people would have seen that I would have been successful. That over and above everything else, okay, that Umseleko has done. But the issue of not allowing Makumalo to do or look at other options when it comes to having a child, I think it's a big thing. Yes, last season Umseleko said yes, but how old is my Khumalo now? You know, isn't it 10 years later that he's saying yes to that? You understand? It's already late. Now, the age thing is still applicable here because Umangwabe is older than Khumalo. And Umangwabe was going through that 3 years ago where she was questioning, do I even love this man? Now it's Khumalo. Yes, people are saying that Khumalo uyathanda ukurewriter ama-lines amanye amakhosikazi. And to be honest, she does use ama-lines amanye amakhosikazi. But maybe another reason she uses ama-lines amanye amakhosikazi is because only now she's reaching the point that the wives were at that time. Now she's getting to understand why they were asking those questions, and she feels like she has the same questions now because only now is Makumalo at the place where Mangwabe was 3 years ago. They just need to give us this season for 5 more seasons, and we are about to have some fun. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before Pumegona, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers in the Tanda. Cool.